Here at Orega, we definitely believe that good coffee brings good people together. My name's Joe. I am the customer service manager here at 70 Grey Stretch Street, and I work for the flexible workspace provider Orega. TopBrewer for us is absolutely amazing. Our clients love it, and it feels like a really premium service because it's fresh bean to cup. Here at Orega, we're really aiming to be a premium service provider, and I think by having so much choice and so much customization, it really lends itself to part of that premium nature. I would also say that it's a really good conversation starter because, how do you take your coffee is completely different for everyone. We now have over 20 top brewers across all of our locations across the country. The machine is really easy to maintain. There's a really simple clean cycle that our team and staff do every single day to keep the coffee really nice and fresh. I personally would definitely recommend TopBrewer. I think good coffee for us is the bread and butter of any good workplace. It really starts your productivity, and it means that you're starting your day in the best way possible.